This is the plaintiff, Shannon Booth. She says she went to the defendant's hair salon, and the guy literally ruined her hair. She was supposed to get blonde highlights, but what she got instead was a rainbow head of colors like purple, pink, and blue. Not only that, she was there for 7 hours. She had to go to another salon 3 times to correct the defendant mistakes, so she wants her $435 returned pronto. This is the defendant, Kevin Wynn. He says the plaintiff asked for purple highlights, and 3 days later, her mother came to his shop to complain. The woman demanded a refund and made a big stink. He's confident he did nothing wrong, did exactly as he was instructed, and she's suing him simply to waste his time. He's accused of using all the colors in the rainbow.
All parties, please raise your right hand. Be seated. Come to order, please. Litigants have been sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Shannon Booth?
Yes.
Okay, you are suing Hair and Nail Sense by Kevin. You are the owner. Kevin, can you pronounce your last name?
Yeah, Kevin Wing.
Say it again.
Kevin Wing.
Wing.
Yeah.
Okay, you are the owner?
Yeah, I'm the
Right.
owner.
For $435 that you say you want them to replace in the cost that you paid for the hair, as well as the cost that you paid to repair what you say was a bad job by them. Tell me what's going on.
I take my son in to get his haircut at Kevin's place all the time.
How old's your son?
2.
Okay.
Gonna be 3. And I was in there one time, and Kevin walked over and was looking at my hair and said, oh, you know, your hair looks a little like brassy or whatever. And he was like, where do you get it done? So I tell him where I get it done, and he's like, oh, what do they charge you?
I always love that when a hairstylist walk up to you and say, you look like garbage. You know, you should really get your hair done somewhere else. Whoever you're doing it, it's just not, honest to God, I don't know how anyone thinks that gets some business, but I guess it does, because look at you.
It's
all right, go ahead.
So he said, come in and try us and, you know, see if you like us. And I'm like, all right, I'll try you guys out. I have a fair to go to in a couple of months. I'll come in. He's like, okay. So I come in on the day of, and I had an early appointment, and I didn't get taken right away. And then when I did get taken, we went over the colors that I wanted. I was blonde, and I just wanted blonde highlights, brown lowlights, and it was winter. So I put in like a thin color of something warmer, like a eggplant or something. Skinny, thin, you know, just to warm up my face in the winter. And we look through a book together, we go over it, and he repeats it back to me. We're talking about it the whole time.
Don't you just pick the color you want from the book?
Mm-hmm.
So there's little hair samples in the book. Okay.
And so I did that, and then his colorist proceeds to do my color. Normally when I go to get my hair done, it takes 45 minutes to process my hair. More time is going by. More time is going by. And their salon's like really busy, so I didn't ever feel like I ever had their undivided attention. So more time's going by, hours go by. And he's all done. I realized that...
They blow dry your hair?
They blowed my hair straight, yes.
So you know what the color was?
Yep. I noticed that the pieces are very thick, and they're a lot more vibrant than I asked for. My eggplant is now like Barney purple. My blonde is like white. Completely white, and the brown is like a mucky gray, like kind of looks like the colors.
Picture of this?
Oh yeah, I have
Can I see
pictures.
it?
Yeah. The first picture you'll see is what my hair originally looked like, because I happened to have gone to a wedding days before, a couple weeks before he did it. And then as you go through the pictures, you'll see the chunky colors that are all these bright, vibrant colors. And there's no rhyme or reason. It doesn't match on either side. I had like on this side, a huge piece of purple, big piece of purple. So now I'm like upset, but I kind of feel like embarrassed to like say anything. So
you don't say, I don't like it?
I did say, he came over, Kevin said, is everything okay? And I said, doesn't this look really bright to you? And he was like, yeah, but it's okay. He's like, isn't that what you wanted? And I was like, no. I was like, these look really thick and really bright. And they were uneven. This one was huge and this one was like skinny. And there was like other colors in there too. And I didn't realize how bad it was because at that point I'd been there for so long and I had somewhere to be.
Okay, and then he said, when you said that, he said what?
He said, why don't you wait it out? It was a Friday. Why don't you wait it out on the weekends, see how you feel, come back on Monday and we'll talk. I said, okay. And he said, why don't we make an appointment and I'll try to do whatever it is you don't like.
Okay.
So then I go back on Monday. And at first, the whole weekend, I was like, maybe it's not that bad. And then other people were
No, it's
telling
bad.
me.
It's purple. It's bad unless you ask for this.
No.
Okay. I mean, when I say it's bad,
It's bad.
if what you intended was what you said, which is I wanted a little eggplant, that's a, I don't know what the term like eggplant could mean something to you and something to him.
No,
That's
we
why
looked at
just
color
a second,
together.
I'm talking.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So that's why I asked, were you actually looking at a book and picking out colors?
Right.
Because unless you wanted, but this is also, if my hair's purple and I'm sitting in a salon chair, I don't say, doesn't this look vibrant? I say, what the heck, dude? Why do I have purple in my hair? I didn't ask you for purple. Get this out right now. And I solved the problem right there. So this is going to end up being a battle of what you asked for.
Right.
But this is purple. This is not eggplant. This is not red. This is purple. Purple. And I know this because I once had purple hair. You know how my purple happened?
The plaintiff went to the defendant's salon and asked for highlights, but says he made her look like a circus clown. Let's listen.
I was sitting in the chair, and I was in the middle of brown, and I was about to come in for an interview to be the people's court judge. Okay? And then I said, no, I think I want it red. And unfortunately, my decision to have it red was a little too late after brown had been, I don't even want to talk about it. Okay? All right, what's going on? Talk to me.
Yes. Okay. That day, I remember because I was in the salon. I'm the owner, but I don't do hair. But I control the salon. I take care of the business. So she come to over my salon. She tell me, Kevin, can I have blonde color? First, she want a blonde highlight and base color and blonde highlight. And I say, okay. She want to see the book. I give her the book. She look first the book. And then she want to choose the color, what she want.
Okay.
She
Do you have the book with you? Because I can't help but notice that I don't see a book.
Oh, the book, the symbol, book color, like every salon
No. Do you have the book with you, yes or no?
Oh, no.
Right, so that you can point to me in the book how she picked that.
I don't have a book with me here.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So go on.
Yeah.
So go on.
Okay, so she refer for the blonde, and then after that, and then I say, okay, just go to my stylist. I have my stylist will take care of you. So because my salon customer keep coming,
Right.
we don't have
Good
to
for
take care
you.
for everyone. Yeah. So she come in, and then I give you another stylist, take care right away.
Is this a stylist?
Yeah,
or-
it's my stylist.
Come on. Is this the person who did her hair?
Yeah.
Come on up.
Yeah.
Were you part of the process in deciding what color to put in her hair? Was it the three of you or the two of them and then he told
No,
you?
we discussed about it with
So
the
were you,
client.
was that a yes or a no to my question?
Yes.
You were talking with her.
Mm-hmm.
You were part of that original discussion.
Yes.
Okay. And I take it you don't have a book in your pocket either. Okay. All right. So go on.
Yeah, and then she finished completely. I saw that day because I was there. Usually I'm not in the salon much. And then I was there that day. And she come over me. She said, Kevin, I really want a little bit, I want a purple color in my hair.
She used the phrase, I want purple color in my hair.
She said she want the purple color in her hair.
She said she wanted
Yeah.
purple color in her hair.
And then I tell her, the blonde with the purple, they don't look right on your hair.
Were you there for that?
Yes.
Did you hear him tell her blonde with purple doesn't look right?
Yes.
Did he tell you blonde with purple doesn't look right?
No, and I don't even think that's the guy who did my hair.
You don't think that's the guy who did your
She
hair?
don't even know the guy.
No,
Okay. Did you say the word purple?
no. And
What
I've
word
done,
did you say? Eggplant?
I've done
What color is eggplant to you?
like a deep, almost on the reddish maroon, darker than. I mean, why would I be bright purple?
But eggplant has in other words, I would never
Yeah.
say that. I would say lowlights and red.
You know
low
what, I
lights and
actually-
auburn, but I wouldn't use the word eggplant.
You know
Eggplant
what?
has a purple
That's why
connotation
he showed
to
me
it.
the book, because he said, "Well, what do you want?" And I've done it before, where you just put it's winter, something.
If you
deep.
didn't, I understand it's winter, but I don't know. There's to each his own. Obviously, this dye exists because somebody asked for it. But my question to you is, if you're sitting there and your hair is clearly something you didn't ask for, how do you say, "Okay, thank you," tip a guy because she tipped you, right? Tip a guy
because
and then leave, and then come back days later, only when others tell you, "Oh my God, your hair looks ridiculous."
because I was there for almost 7 hours, and I work in the industry where I work on tips, so he did spend 7 hours on my
No,
hair.
it's
what I mean?
but if you're unhappy, will you put your hand down? If you're unhappy and it's not what you asked for, why didn't you see the fact that you say, "Isn't this a little thick?" and then tip a guy, and then just leave,
No, you're
and then
right.
not say anything until after your mother and everybody else tells you it doesn't look good. that doesn't help your argument. That helps his argument.
I know, but I'm a mother and I'm not like a teenager. I wouldn't ask for like bright punk rocker purple hair. Like that's just, like I wouldn't walk around like that. And I don't know who would. And then when I went back to talk to him about it, he made me
Did he ever offer to fix it?
He offered to fix it, but why would I trust him again?
What did you want to say?
Yeah, first I want to say because she's the one, refer for the purple color. And then I already told her the purple color don't look good on her, blonde highlight. She just say, I want it. I'm the customer. I want whatever I want. I pay the money. You have to serve it my job, blah, blah, blah. And I say, oh my God, and then that's, and I say, okay, so I give you a little bit purple color, but, that you refer for it, And then after 3 days later, she don't even come to my salon. She sit in the car. She tell her mom come over and scream at my salon, make me lose the, say, you do bad job for my daughter, blah, blah.
Wait, slow your roll. I lost you several minutes ago. Stop.
And welcome back to the People's Court. Harvey Levin here. So do women often kind of change their mind and say, oh, I didn't ask for that when things don't quite work out right, say at the beauty salon? Be honest.
Definitely.
I mean, you kind of think you're going to look like Miley Cyrus and you end up looking like not Miley Cyrus. Oh, I didn't ask for that, right?
No.
I mean, am I right here?
Yes, absolutely.
Well, that's kind of dishonest, don't you think? Because then you're trying to get over on the person who performed the service.
Not if it doesn't meet your expectations.
Yeah, but if you asked for it, you can't change the deal, can you?
Well, it's not didn't turn out the way
You know you're going to lose this if we keep talking, right? Going inside the courtroom.
3 days pass.
Yeah.
She comes to the salon.
Yeah.
Okay. And she stays in the car
Yes.
and her mother goes into the salon. She doesn't go to the salon.
No, she don't.
Okay, go ahead.
And then I asked who the customer, because the mom keep talk. I don't know who the customer is. Too many customer in my salon. Keep talk.
We should all have these problems. Go ahead.
Yeah, and then make me confused. I say, where's the customer? I want to see the customer first. I know who it is, And then the mom go and bring her into my salon.
Okay.
And then she come over, and then I tell her, oh, you the one who want the purple. Now what we can do? Oh my, I cannot do nothing for you. If you fix right away, we have trouble, because her hair will be damaged, So we have to tell her, okay, we will make you happy again. Before you leave my salon, you say you're very happy with your purple color, blah, 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 like that. And now you come back, you say, oh my God, I don't want the purple, I want the money back, blah, blah, like that. So what I can do right now, whatever. She say,
what did you say you would do? Like, what could you do? I don't know.
I can do for her, at least I can make her happy. I give her the special treatment to keep her hair more healthy, more shiny, and more nice, look better and better for her hair.
So you offered her that treatment?
Yeah.
And she said, no, I want my money back.
Just money back.
And according to you, she used the word purple, not eggplant.
Yes.
You're positive?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know to you guys what color's eggplant, but to me, eggplant is
no,
purple.
I got to tell you, eggplant has a connotation of purple.
Yes.
It does. Eggplant is not the same as saying I want red lowlights.
I mean, I never seen
Eggplant
any
is
red
eggplant.
eggplant.
Eggplant has a purple connotation to it. Yeah, I can't do it, Miss Booth. I can't do it.
That's not what he said. He did not
Okay, Ms. Booth,
offer.
we're done. Based on what you have presented to me, I'm not confident. And based on your actions at the end of what happened, and taking 3 days to come back there,
He
I'm just
told me
not
to wait 3 days.
Stop. I'm not confident that you didn't in fact ask for, and based on you asking for eggplant, I'm not confident that this isn't just a look that you sort of regret picking. I have to be confident that they did something to you you didn't ask for. And when you use the word eggplant, which has a purple connotation to it, maybe not that purple, but a purple connotation to it, and then you leave and say, isn't this a little thick, but okay, all right, and tip a guy, you have to understand that your case is incredibly weak in court to be able to get $435. My verdict in this case is for the defendant.
So the plaintiff loses her case here in front of Judge Marilyn Millian. Step right over here. What's your reaction to the outcome here as you come out?
Absolutely ridiculous. Why would I ask for purple hair?
How should we know?
Why?
I don't know.
Why would I walk around
People
looking
do.
like that?
Well, why didn't you stomp up and down right there before you left and make a big deal out of it?
Because
don't leave yet.
I'm not the type of person to throw a fit. And
Well, you could complain. You could say it's the wrong color.
I
You don't have to
did.
throw.
Oh, I did. I did let him know it was the wrong color.
It looks like you bought a car, drove it off the lot, drove it around for a while, and brought it back and said, "I don't want it anymore." Buyer's
Absolutely
remorse
not.
is what it
No.
looks like.
Absolutely not.
Well,
Absolutely not. Those pieces were huge.
Well, unfortunately,
Huge.
it's not provable. All right, well, head right around. Your hair looks good now, by the way. You're welcome. Okay, so come on in here and tell me what you think of the outcome of this case. Has this ever happened to you before?
It's never. It's the first time. Yeah.
Well, did she really ask you for, bright purple hair?
She really want to the purple.
What do you
She
think
like so
happened?
much.
What do you think happened?
Because happen, I will know. It's the purple that don't look right with the blonde. Absolutely no. But she say, I'm the customer. I want to pay what I want.
The judge said she had purple hair one time. You think the judge would look good with purple hair?
I don't think so, Joe, either.
Harvey?
Absolutely not.
Okay, I mean, really simple. If you want something really specific, say at a beauty salon, it sounds kind of crazy, but put it in writing, specifically what you want before you get the service performed. That will do it for this case. Litigants for the next case on the way into the courtroom right now.